The controls are preset from the factory, but desired functions can be programmed in the field. To start the product programming process, press and hold the program button for approximately 3 seconds or until the word prog appears on the display. The program mode is password protected, so you will need to enter the passcode 123. Use any of the product selection buttons to choose the product you wish to program, then press the program button to go to the next step. The preset name of the product will show in the display. In this step, you can change the name of the product, which can be up to 7 characters long. Use the up and down arrow buttons to scroll up and down the different characters, and the info and program buttons to advance or go back to the next letter. Press the program button and cook time shows in the display. Use the up and down arrow buttons to increase or decrease the cooking time. Press and hold the buttons and the time will jump by 5-second increments to a maximum of 59 minutes and 59 seconds. Press the program button and temp shows in the display. Press the up or down arrow buttons to change the temperature. Press and hold the buttons and the temperature will jump by 5-degree increments to a maximum of 390 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius and a minimum of 200 degrees Fahrenheit or 100 degrees Celsius. Press the program button and Cook ID shows in the display. In this step, you will enter the product nickname, which can be up to 2 characters long. Use the up and down arrow buttons to scroll up and down the characters, and the info and program buttons to advance or go back to the next value. Press the program button once done. The next setting is called load compensation, which can be set between 0 and 20. Load compensation is a unique feature in our Computron 8000 control that automatically adjusts cooking time to accommodate fresh or frozen products and different load sizes. Use the up and down arrows to adjust this value accordingly and then press the program button to go to load compensation reference temperature, which can be adjusted from the set point temperature to 50 degrees below set point temperature. Use the up and down arrow buttons to adjust this value accordingly. Then press the program button to set the first of up to 4 alarms. In this step, you can set how many seconds or minutes into the cooking cycle you want the control to prompt the user to perform an action. This action can be to pause, add, stir, shake, or none. Use the up and down buttons to select the word to show in the display if an alarm is programmed. If pause is selected, on auto lift open fryers, the basket automatically rises out of the oil and timer will stop the countdown. The timer button must be pressed to lower the basket back into the oil and resume the timer. Press the program button and now quality timer shows in the display along with the preset holding time on the right side of the display. Press and release the up and down buttons to adjust the holding time. Press the program button again and filter included shows in the display, along with no or yes. Press the up and down buttons to yes if the product is to be included in the filter count or no if it is not. To exit the program mode, simply press and hold the program button for 3 seconds. Repeat all the steps described here to program all other products on the control.